All right, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at Haspin Acres today, and boy, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. So we're back in my 2011 Xterra Pro 4X. Little reminder, this thing has like a 2-inch lift. We're on some 33-inch Xterra grapplers, and we got a rear locker. But he's Japanese XJ. This thing is gonna be a lot of fun today. He's on some 33-inch mud terrains. And of course, you know, you got that rough country 3-inch. And we got another buddy out here in the 6-liter Chevy. This thing should also be a lot of fun. All right, so we've already got our first broken vehicle. All we've done is get to the trail, and the Chevy is not engaging the front drive shafts. So we're gonna go get some lunch and see if we can just fix it real quick, make a day out of it. Woo! Hold on, Brandon, hold on. So now he got halfway up the hill and he's having reduced engine power issues. Here we are, we're stuck at the very bottom of a hill, and the truck has now just reduced all power. We got about halfway up the hill. To be honest, if he had made it just a little bit further and not lost power, he would have been good. Click it quickly before it realizes it doesn't like something. Send it. So we just got the truck unstuck finally. I think we've been down there for about an hour. It's been a good bit. So the truck is having some issues. It went into limp mode and we can't get 4-wheel drive to work. So we are gonna go park the truck and a buddy's gonna ride around with us for a little bit. But we're still gonna have some fun in the Nissan and the Jeep. Who would have thought a Nissan and a Jeep would be the 2 more reliable vehicles out here today? But hey, you know, sometimes big fly. So you got the back wheel, right?
I'd go passenger.
Oh God, please no!
I think he's all crossed up now. Straight, and just go straight. You're gonna crawl right up it.
That was fucking scary. Yeah, I don't think
last one right there. I thought we were going over.
Bro, I saw you go through it, and then I pulled up to it, and I said, no, I'm not doing it.
Yeah, After I did it, I'm like, probably shouldn't have did that.
Hey,
For-
I think I got a pretty good.
Yeah. That's probably. All right, so in about 6 inches, your front driver is gonna drop. You're gonna go off the shelf. You have enough ground clearance, so just be wary for it. Come forward. All right, it's gonna drop. Yep, you're down. Cut it, driver. You're fine. Oh, you're all crossed up now. You're just crossed up, like
You're fully flexed.
you're fully flexed out.
Can you back up and just give it just a little bit of momentum? Yeah, a little bit of momentum. There you go. Yep.
Yep, you're past it now. Hold right there.
The rear bumper, am I gonna slash it?
I think your rear bumper will be fine. Your passenger rear is about to drop.
Yeah. Okay, last one coming down. Yep.
Yeah, you're through. I don't even have to worry about the Jeep. He's just gonna walk through it. Yeah. You're fine.